So in today's video, it's going to be a compare, or a fight out, I would say, between the Litchi app and the Maven app. Now what I've done, I've come to my favourite place, the mines, and what it is, I'm going to show you the Litchi app first, because obviously Litchi's been out for years, and I've sort of programmed it to do the waypoints about the same as the Maven app, with points of interest, and then what I'm going to do is compare both of them side by side, and you can choose what you think's the better one of the two. At the end, I'm going to tell you what I think. So, shall I get on with it? So, I've got my DJI Mini 2, I've got my DJI RCM1. So the first thing we've got to do is get it all ready. So we've got to turn on the drone. Okay, so as always, when you go and turn the DJI drone on, it's going to go straight into the Mini 2 DJI or the Fly app. So don't worry about it, you just come out of that. We're going to do the Litchi app first. We go into the Litchi app. Okay, what I have noticed is that when you go into your missions, you've got to make sure you're logged in, guys. If you're not logged in, you will not get the mission. So I've got Maven Mines 2. So I click that, I load it up. It's already loaded. So, should we get it going? I'm just going to put on the video. So video's on. We're going to start it now, start mission. So it's going to do it all from the ground. It's taken off it goes. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to stand with you with the drone and we can talk through it. The drone's already gone off. It's going on its first mission there. We've got a load of birdies up there. We've got a couple of people out tonight. The mines is very popular with droney people, I noticed. There's quite a few drones about. So he's just going off on its mission now. I'm watching out for the birdies. I think the birds, especially the young birds, they think, ooh, because the Mini 2 is quite small and it quite resembles, I suppose, like a little sparrow. So as you can see there, it's I got 97% on the top there. Everything's 100%, which is good. Batteries 86. At the moment, it's coming up to waypoint 4 now, so it should be coming up around the back there. Now, if I can tap on that screen, yeah. So we got the chimney there. Okay, we're just going around the back of the chimney there. Okay. Nice view of the chimney. So it's doing another point of interest on that chimney. So it's just coming back around. The sun's sort of getting at that. I mean, it's just coming on the mine there. So it's looking back at the chimney now. And at the moment, it's all looking fine. It's not, the screen's not jittery. Let's see if we can see. It's telling you the height at the bottom there. The speed is about 5 miles per hour. If I tap on the route there and just enlarge it a little bit, as you can see, it's on to 6. It's just come into number 7. Okay, and just move it over. It's just coming to its last one, number 7. So it's finished its mission now. It's coming back. It's coming back to me now. It's coming back into land, so I can turn off the video now. So what we do now, we go into the Maven app. So we just click on the Maven app. You see the drone. We just tap on it. It's all ready to go. It's already been updated. So the 3 dots. The waypoint mission, the Bonnie mine. Okay, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to put the controller down over there, okay? So, where it says ready. Oh, I'll just put on the video first. Okay. So it's off. So you can see that it's all ready to go. So I'm going to put the controller just to prove that you don't have to use the controller at all. So put the controller there, okay? So now it's going off to its first, it's already done its first waypoint. What it's doing is looking at a point of interest there. It's now going to go over around the back of the mine, what I call the chimney area. But what I will do after all this is put the 2 videos together. You can compare both of them, the Litchi or the Maven. Okay, let's make that screen bigger. Looking good with the sun there. I'll just bring that down a little bit. Coming up to the chimney now. There's the chimney. I mean, obviously, what you do need to control is just the gimbal, to either raise up the gimbal or raise down the gimbal. You probably, as you can see where I've been climbing, it will need to be altered in some way. Not a lot. You don't need to do it a lot. You can do it very slowly as well. And the sun now is disappeared behind the mountain over there. What I like about the Maven one is you got more, you can see what's going on a lot more. You can see the drone, you can see all the waypoints, you can see the points of interest, you can see the heights. With the Litchi, you don't technically see that as you're flying. Obviously, I think setting up is better with the Litchi, but I think with the Maven you do get a lot more what you can see on the screen. Okay, so it's coming back to the 7th, and I can just put back on the video. There it is. It's just turning itself around. I can just drop that camera down a little bit more just to get that building in there. There you are. Nice shot of the building. Right, the mission's finished. It's on its way back. I can press, I can stop that video on that. It's coming down to land, hopefully, on my head. It's just coming. It's above my head. It's going to look like it's going to come not far from the chair there. Okay. That's it. What I will do, I'll just bring it in a little bit more there. Okay. Okay. Right. So we can turn that off.
Control, this is flight. We're tracking 3 fast-moving objects, origin unknown. We're tracking 3 fast-moving objects, origin unknown. Control, this is flight. We're tracking 3 fast-moving objects, origin unknown.
Flight, can you hear me? 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 Flight, can you hear me?
So, my thoughts on the Litchi and the Maven app. And I'll be honest, I do prefer the Maven app. I think the Litchi app's been out for years now, and the technology, they haven't really updated it much, whereas obviously the Maven's quite new, and there's a few more things on the Maven app that you can do. Price range, I would say, is probably the same. The only thing wrong with the Maven app, whereas the Litchi probably does beat it, is obviously the Android, you're pretty limited with the Maven, whereas the Litchi, doesn't matter what type of phone you got, whereas obviously with the Maven it prefers the iOS more than the Android phone. But like you said, if you watch the videos and you can compare what you think's better. I mean, I use the same drone, so the camera's no different, it's just the way it's been set up. So hope you enjoyed that. Give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Yeah, I'll catch you on another one. Yeah.
You speak English?
I speak English, yeah. Yeah.
Mama.
English translator.
He wants to know if there's a channel to watch what you are.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. Sean the drone.
Sean the drone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sean the drone.
Okay. And
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Right now or today?
Oh, not today.
Not today.
It'd be maybe next week or 2 weeks' time.
Okay.
Yeah, is that okay?
Okay. So you are traveling around
No,
Spain
no,
or
I
just here?
I live here.
Ah, okay.
I live about 30 minutes away,
Ah, okay.
so I come here most nights. Yeah,
Ah, okay.
yeah. Do you live here then?
Here?
Yeah.
No. We live about 70 kilometers from here.
Oh, okay.
Murcia.
Oh, yeah, Murcia. Yeah,
Murcia.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
We are here from holiday. For
Right, on holidays.
On
Yeah.
holidays, yeah. So nice to meet you.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. As you can see,
Is it enormous?
yeah. That's a really, you know, you can feel how heavy. This is heavy,
What?
and then this one, you know, you can hold that as well. You can feel a whole, and then this one is so light.
Oh yes. Like that.
This is a new one, and this is an old, about 10 years now, I think.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So it's the same technology?
Yeah.
but
Oh
this
well,
is
this is better.
Smaller?
Yeah,
and
this is
better.
better technology,
Ah.
and this is old and very heavy, very noisy.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I make videos for other people that's got these older type drones, just to remind people how to fly them. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Yeah. So you teach people
yeah,
how to
yeah.
do
It's
it.
like
Okay.
tutorials. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. I don't want to.
But if
to
you,
break it. Okay.
I run another YouTube channel. It's a bigger one. It's called and it's places where I go out exploring in the Murcia region.
Uh huh.
You know. So you can keep that. Because
Sean Matthews.
yeah.
Okay.
on that channel will be Sean the Drone, and I have another I've got 3 channels on YouTube.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
All your videos are
Yeah.
in Mazarrón.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Places from Mazarrón.
Most of them, nearly all of them, in the Murcia region. But I do like going to Almeria.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Las Negras or.
yeah, yeah. I love that area as well. But most of it is in this area. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah, have a good
Nice to
day.
meet
Yeah,
you. Thank
cheers.
you.
Bye bye. Bye.